Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have a portable power station from ALLPOWERS. So this is the S300. It is a 288 watt hour backup battery, and it not only has 4 different ways to charge this, including solar, but you also have 2 AC power plugs, just like you would have in a wall outlet, which means you can power things such as a CPAP machine or anything else that doesn't exceed its power abilities of 500 watts. In addition to that, you have some lights on the front, so it's perfect for emergencies. You can also charge any Type-C or USB devices, and it comes in a really nice compact size that makes it perfect for traveling or camping. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. While we get this open, I just want to thank ALLPOWERS for sending me this device so I could test it. Thank you very much. So it looks like on top we have a case that probably has some charging accessories. We'll check that out in a second. Nice owner's manual. And then we have the power station right here. I have to say right off the bat, shocked by how small this is, a lot smaller than I expected. In this video, we're going to start with a quick unboxing, then we'll look at the device a little closer so you can see all the different buttons on it, how well it's made, things like that. Then we'll do some tests on it to see if it actually does have 288 watt hours of battery life. And then after that, I'll tell you how I like it. Let's go ahead and open this accessories pouch right here and see what we have in it. So it looks like we just have the wall adapter. So you would simply plug this in, plug it into the little adapter here, and then you would plug this in to the input right here, and you could power the device. And you can get DC adapters for this as well. You can also do solar, and then on the other side, you can just input with Type-C to charge this device. So pretty cool. And you have a nice carrying case here if you have any other connectors or anything else that you want to make sure you always bring with you with the ALLPOWERS S300. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this charging. So looking at the display here, this is actually really cool. It shows you how many watts it's getting in, which will help you determine how quickly it'll charge. It also has a charge percentage and a little indicator showing a battery and how much it's charged. In addition to that, we have 2 LED lights, and you can turn these on by just hitting the little orange button. Over here, we have 3 buttons. AC button that turns on the power inverter so that the plugs up here work. So you could plug in anything that plugs into a wall connector. A DC button that'll turn on either the DC outputs over here, the USB plugs, and then the DC plug that you would find in a standard vehicle. Additionally, the wireless charger on the top works if the DC button is turned on. They also have a Bluetooth button, and Bluetooth allows you to connect your phone to it so you can see the charge level, also their estimated time remaining of usage or charging the device. But additionally, you can turn on and off different features of the device, including the AC inverter, the DC plugs, and then also the LED lights. As you can see, that's very responsive and it works great. Setting it up was easy. All you need to do is download and install the ALLPOWERS app, and it only uses Bluetooth, so you don't even need to set up an account. Additionally, on the top, we have this really nice sturdy handle that has a nice grip on the bottom, so you can carry this. You don't have to worry about it falling or anything like that. And this does snap down really nicely, so it won't come out and get caught on anything in a backpack or anything like that. It is a very nice looking device. The plastic all seems very sturdy. Nothing that is brittle, seems like it's going to break, nothing loose either. And we do have some vents on each side that just allow it to displace any heat when running the inverters or charging the batteries. On the bottom, we do have some really nice rubber grips, going to make it so it doesn't slip too much in an environment. So now let's get into some testing of the ALLPOWERS S300. Charging this via AC with this connector right here, with the ALLPOWERS S300 being completely empty, it takes 4 hours and 35 minutes to fully charge this device. In my opinion, that's pretty quick, and that is going to be quicker than a lot of other devices on the market. All right, so before we actually get into testing the output of the ALLPOWERS S300, I want to show you a calculator that I've created. It allows me to enter the wattage used by different devices, and it'll determine how many operating hours we should get out of the ALLPOWERS S300. And it's really just a simple calculation where we take the available watt hours and multiply that by what I'm guessing is a 90% efficiency out of the AC inverter, and then the total wattage used, and that should give us the operating hours. So in this, I'm using a 50 watt light bulb and a 12 watt fan, and that should give us 4.2 operating hours from the S300. And check the description if you want to play with this calculator. I'll have it down there so you can use it. So this is a quick time lapse of the test being performed where it's powering the light and the fan. And as you can see here, we were able to power these devices for 4 hours and 26 minutes, which is really good because it beat my expectations of 4.2 hours. So as you saw there, the S300 performed very well, and it lived up to the advertised 288 watt hours of capacity that they say this has. So I've been using this for several weeks now, and I have found it to be extremely useful. I recently used it during a road trip on a beach house to power a DC cooler. It worked very well, and it made it the entire trip. Then once I got there, I left this in the living room so that anyone could use it to charge their devices. My friends were using the wireless charger, and also the 4 output connectors on the right for DC to charge their phones or different devices that they had, and it worked really well. Last week, I also had some electrical work done on my house where they had to turn off the power completely, and I used the AC plugs on this to actually power my modem and my router, and it was able to do that for around 4 hours. So the entire time the work was being done, we still had internet even though we had no power because of the ALLPOWERS S300. So very happy with it there. So a couple really cool notes about this. You can use DC and AC at the same time, and you can also use this while it's being charged. So if you're on a road trip and you're using it, maybe to power your laptops, you can charge this device while you're using the AC inverters, and that will give you more battery life. One thing to note, when you turn on the AC inverter, it makes a beep, but there's also a fan that comes on, so it's not going to be completely quiet. I don't think this is a big problem, and if you were camping, it would just give you some background noise, really. The lights here work very well. When you turn them on, they do make a beep, which is pretty loud. That could be annoying if you're camping and you want to be quiet, but the lights are extremely bright, and you could just point them in an area and they will light that up. So if you're camping somewhere you don't have power, you could set this up and run that light, and you could power this light for days on the battery in here. So overall, I would highly recommend the ALLPOWERS S300. It's at an affordable price, has a really nice capacity of 288 watt hours, can be charged through several different methods, and outputs power through several different methods. I like that it has 2 AC power plugs right here, so you can power 2 devices at once without having to have some sort of splitter or an adapter. And it even has the wireless charger at the top, which is really nice because you don't have to bring any cables with you if you don't want to. I love that with Bluetooth you can see the charge and also turn on the lights, things like that. That's just really cool and convenient. And the build quality is extremely high. This plastic feels very sturdy, very durable, and the handle seems very durable as well. There's no looseness or anything like that. This seems like a very well-made device that works great. All right, so that was the ALLPOWERS S300. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an affiliate link to the description below so you can find this exact device on Amazon as well as other retailers. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.